A shopkeeper incurs a loss of 3.75% if discount of 30% is offered on the marked price of the articles. Okay, so the shopkeeper is giving 30% discount and he incurs a loss of 3.75%. So let's just see CP, MP and SP. We know shopkeeper always gives discount on this marked price. So we are giving 30% discount or we are making it less by 30%. So the multiplying factor of 30% is, or I am multiplying this by 30% is 7 by 10. This is 7 by 10. So marked price was 10 and I am giving discount, so I am selling it for 7. These are in units. 10 marked price is 10, so I am selling it for 7, that is 30% discount, and I incur a loss of 3.75%. Let's just see. I know 37.5%. 37.5% is 3 times of 12.5% and 12.5% is 1 by 8. So this is 3 by 8. Now I asked 3.75%, which is 3 by 80. And I am incurring a loss of 3.75%. So decrease of minus 3.75% is equivalent to 77 upon 80. Loss of, so I can say the price of the item was 80 and I am selling it for 77 units. This is the loss of 3.75%. This is 3.75% loss. Now I have to make both the selling prices same. These are in units, so I have to multiply it by 11 and it becomes 77 and this becomes 110. Now all these units are same. That cost price is 80. I marked up it to 110 and I have sold it for 77. Now what is asked is if cost price of X article is equal to marked price of X articles. Okay, so from here I can see CP upon MP. If I have to take the ratio, it is 8 upon 11. Now what is given is X articles, cost price of X articles is equal to marked price of 8. Okay, so marked price of 8. From here CP upon MP becomes 8 upon X. Comparing these two, I get X as 11. So X was cost price of X article and I was asked then find X. So what is the value of X? Value of X is 11.